Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Have you ever forgotten a password you once saved while using Google Chrome on your Android phone? Maybe you're trying to log into a website, but you just can't remember the password. Don't worry, you don't need to reset it or create a new account. In this video, we'll walk you through a complete and detailed guide on how to view saved passwords directly in Google Chrome on your Android device, with no extra apps, and completely free. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so the interface matches and all the features work properly. Step 2. Tap the three-dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 3. Go to Google Password Manager or Passwords. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites and apps where you've saved your login credentials through Chrome. Step 4. Choose the account you want to view. For example, if you want to view your saved Facebook, Gmail, or Instagram password, just tap on that website name. Before the password is shown, Chrome will ask you to verify your identity, either through your fingerprint, face recognition, or phone unlock PIN. This is to keep your information safe. Step 5. Once verified, you will see your account info, starting from email, phone number, or username, including also the password. To see the password, tap the eye icon in the password column. Your password will be visible. And you can also copy it. Tap clipboard icon, and the password will be saved to your clipboard. But this method will only work if you had previously allowed Chrome to save your passwords when logging in. If not, it won't appear in the list. Then, advice from me, every time you log in or create a new account, always save the password in Google Chrome or in your Google account. And that's it. That's how you easily and securely view saved passwords on Google Chrome for Android. It's fast, simple, and doesn't require any third-party apps. Perfect for those moments when you forget a password. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to share it with your friends or family who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.